Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to use emojis on computer. Here are the beginner-friendly steps to use emojis on a Windows PC. First, turn on your PC and make sure to sign into Windows. Open any app where you can type, such as Notepad, Word, a web browser, or chat apps. Click inside the text field and place the cursor where you want the emoji to appear. Now, press Windows plus period on your keyboard. The emoji panel will open. Choose the emoji tab if it isn't already active. Browse emojis by category. Use the search bar and type on your keyboard to find a specific emoji. Click the emoji to insert it into your text. Continue typing normally after inserting emojis. You can also use Windows plus semicolon as an alternative shortcut. Now, close the emoji panel by pressing the escape key or clicking outside the panel. Use emojis in any app that supports text input. If emojis don't appear, you can update Windows by going to Settings, Windows Update, and installing the latest updates. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.